Stampers, today we're going to make the hidden slider card. This is what it looks like. So when you pull these banners out, there's a little secret message in there. So that one says thanks, and then this one says you're simply the best. Isn't that awesome? So this was actually a card sketch number 31 that my husband designed. So then here's the card sketch 31 that my husband designed. So what's nice with this card sketch is that it can go vertical or horizontal, and I made mine horizontal. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here are the pieces. I'm using the basic black for my base, and this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Okay, so then we're using the granny apple green, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to use 2 pieces of the mango melody, and this piece is cut at 3 by 3 3/4, and this piece is cut at 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. And then we're also using the Costa Cabana. You need 2 pieces. This one's cut at 2 7/8 by 3 5/8. And then this piece is cut at 1 5/8 by 3 5/8. And then your banners are cut at 3/4 inch wide. So you need 3 of them. And I just picked the Mango Melody and the Granny Apple Green with the basic black. And then I also flagged the ends. So let me show you how I did that. So I just took my scissors and I'm going to pennant the ends. Just like that. Okay? Alright, so now let's grab some Whisper White and stamp. These are the 2 stamp sets I'm going to use today. This is the Accented Blooms, and you know I love this stamp set. We're using this image and then the thank you. And then for the sliding part of the banners, we're using the Varied Vases, and it's for the thanks right here, and then you are simply the best right there. Okay? So we're going to use the Memento ink, and we're going to stamp this image on the Whisper White. Okay, I'm going to take the thank you and we're going to stamp this on the opposite end so I can punch that out with the tailored tag punch. Okay, so I'm going to use the layering ovals to cut out my little image here. And I think I've done a card already on this image, but the oval does not fit the whole image. But I like the way the thank you will just carry over from the image. So we're just going to punch this out with the straight edge oval first. Okay, so there's our image. And then we're going to take the basic black with our scallop oval. Okay, so that's all the big shot cutting. So let's move the big shot. Okay, so we're going to take the tailored tag punch and we're going to punch out this thank you. Okay, so let's bring in our pieces. We're going to stamp on the banners. I'm going to stamp on the Mango Melody. I'm going to stamp this, You're Simply the Best. I'm going to bring in my Memento ink again. Okay, You're Simply the Best. And then we're going to stamp on the Granny Apple Green, Thanks. So cute. Alright, so that's all the stamping. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put our pieces together. The Costa Cabana and the Mango Melody go together. Okay, now we're going to grab our Stampin' Trimmer. So since my card is going horizontal, I'm going to line this up at 3 1/4 right here. And then with my cutting arm, I'm going to cut from 1 1/2 down to 3 1/2. So it should be a 2-inch slit or a cut line. Okay, so you're going to cut from 1 1/2 down to 3 1/2. This is going to make your secret little pocket for your slider. Okay, so then the next thing is the secret to having the pocket stay open is you want to have your banners slide in. So you don't want to put any adhesive. Let me show you here. I'm going to slide all these into the little pocket here, just so that you can see on the back side. But this is where you don't want to put any adhesive. So from your cut line over, just keep that open with no adhesive. Just to secure that along the whole side of the base of that layer. And we're going to layer this onto the basic black. Okay, then we're going to take our layers here. Okay, so then your banners are going to slide into the pocket right here. Slide this one in. And then this one. How cute! Okay, now for this section here, I went ahead already and colored it, but let me show you the markers that I used. I used the Brights color collection in the Stampin' Write markers. I used the Granny Apple Green, Costa Cabana, and then the Mango Melody. And then to highlight around the edges, I used the Smoky Slate. And that's what this looks like here. So let me go ahead and put these two pieces together. Okay, and we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. Okay, and then this is going to go over here, just like that. And then your thank you is also going to get popped up on dimensionals. And then this is going to sit right into that little section there that's open for that. All right, now we're going to add some basic rhinestones, and I'm going to color in the flowers with the Wink of Stella. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. So then you have a little secret slider. You pull out the message right there and right here. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then here's the other one. And then here's the card sketch. Okay, so it goes vertical or horizontal. Okay, so that's it. Make that really cute little slider card. And I'll have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.